Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome back with the second regular puzzle. The second regular puzzle is a tectonic, aka jigsaw Sudoku. In Dutch, they call it cipher block. In Japanese, Suguru. In today's newspaper of Friday, October the 20th, 2023. And I've already solved one puzzle, the medium Sudoku. And by the way, in this newspaper, we have also an additional with extra puzzles. Those puzzles, half of them I will solve in the evening. And the news of today, well, I've showed you we have not so good weather. Every day we have rain. And yeah, my roof is leaking. Yeah, so I need to wait for a dry day to repair the roof. Alright, Tectonic, aka Jigsaw Sudoku, and this will be number 7303. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 20 printed digits. Should be an easy one because the hard ones has always 8, 9, or 10 printed digits. And this kind of jigsaw Sudoku, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. It's a 9 by 11 jigsaw Sudoku. Alright. So I think it's a 1 star or a 2 stars puzzle. For a 1 star, I need to be faster than 50 minutes. For a 2 stars, I need 15 to 20 minutes. We will see if this is really 2 stars or really 1 star. So let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box or boxes? Because the single box is always a 1. Here single box, there single box. Single boxes are always a 1. Do we have here dual boxes? Contains the 1 and the 2. Cannot see any dual boxes here. See here the triple box contains the 1, the 2, and the 3. Well, this box can be a 3, so 3 could be here, could be there, and the other numbers could be everywhere. But when you see a triple box, remember that the box near the middle box, the inside box, is always 4 or a 5. Triple box. Next question, do we have here quadra boxes? Only one quadra box. These two boxes, well, the quadra box contains the 1, the 2, the 3, and the 4. But these two boxes can be a 3, so 3 could be here, could be there. These two boxes can be 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. And the other numbers could be everywhere. My next strategy now is to look for shapes, for figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. For example, we have here the L shape, upside down, the L shape. Let me draw the L shape here. When you see the L shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Alright, the L shape. Do we have more L shapes here? No L shapes in this puzzle. Then the following shape, how about this shape then? Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Do we have more of these kind of shapes? Let me check. Here, another one, but rotated. This box has the same number as that box. More? Nope. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have here only 2 shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize in this puzzle. Maximum 6. Not in this puzzle. In this puzzle, we have only 2 shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. And the question is, why you need to recognize those shapes? Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get started filling those numbers. These 2 boxes surround the 1 can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this cross area should be here. Then, let me see. Interesting, interesting. These two boxes surround the 2 can be a 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. This box can be a 2. That box can be a 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. Interesting, interesting. These two boxes can be a 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. These two boxes can be a 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. These two boxes can be 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. Well, these two boxes can be 5, so the 5 could be here. Oh, we have a 5 here, so it can be 5 here. Only place left for the 5 in this area. Should be here. Alright. This box can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. Let me check here. 1. Okay. This box can be 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. Well. Let me think. Come on. This is taking too long, this. It's taking too long. This box can be a 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. I need a 2 in this squash area, so the 2 could be here, could be there. Yeah. Well. These two boxes can be a 1, so the 1 should be in one of these 3 boxes. The 1. That means that this box can be a 1, and that box can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. Well, I don't think the 1 should be here, because if I place the 1 here, these 3 boxes surround the 1 can be 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be here, but we already have a 1 here. So not the solution, place the 1 there, the only place left for the 1 should be here. And I've eliminated here the 2, so the 2 goes there. So 2 numbers left in this area, 4 was 4. And a 5, we have a 5 there, no 5 there, 5 should be here, 4 goes there. These 3 boxes surround a 5 can be a 5, so 1 box left for the 5 in this area should be here. This box can be a 5, that box can be a 5, so 1 box left for the 5 in this area should be here. And I've eliminated the 4, so the 4 goes there. 1 box left in this area for number 2. These 3 boxes surround the 2 can be 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this area should be here. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with the 2. We have a 2 now, so this box can be 2 and more. That box should be a 2. Alright, these 2 boxes can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. Then this box can be 1, this box can be 3, so the 1 and 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair, 1 and 3, 1 and 3. So 1 that's left in this area for number 4. And this box can be a 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. Let me think. This box can be a 2, but also that box can be a 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. Well, it's not helping me. These 3 boxes surround the 2 can be 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be 1. That box can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. Well. These 2 boxes can be 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be 3, so the 3 could be here, could be there. Well, a lot of markings. 1, 4, 2. Well, this box can be 2. That means that box can also not be a 2. Can be a 1, can be 4, so 2 numbers left. The 3 and a 5, is connected with that box, so 3 and a 5, okay. So this box can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there then. And that means that those 2 boxes can be 1. We have a double 1 there. If I place a 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those 2 boxes. So here can be a 1, but also that box can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be here. And I've eliminated the 2, so the 2 goes there. So 2 numbers left for numbers 4 and 5. 4 and 5. Alright. And now. Well, I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with a 2. We have a 2 now, so this box can be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with a 2. We have a 2 now, so this box can be 2 anymore. That box should be 2. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with 2. We have a 2 now, so this box can be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2. This box can be 2. Can be a 3, so 2 and 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair, so 1 is left in this triple box for number 1. Alright, so we have a pair now, the 4 and the 5. Okay. These 2 boxes can be 2. Those 2 boxes can be 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. Well, well, this box can be a 2. We have a double 2 there. And this box can also not be a 2. We have a 2 in one of those 2 boxes. Can be a 2 here. So the 2 in this L-shaped area could be here, could be there. That means we have a 2 here. Double 2 here. That means that this box cannot be a 2 anymore. If I place 2 here, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. Okay, so I've eliminated here the 2. So the only place left for the 2 in this area should be here. Now we have a 2 here, so this box can't be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2. Alright. 2 numbers left in this area for us. 3 and a 4. 3 and a 4. 3 and a 4 is connected with that box. Should be so 3 and a 4. So I need a 1 here. Yeah. We have a double 2 there. That means that those 2 boxes can be 2. We have a double 2 there. If I place a 2 here or here, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. So the only place left for the 2 in this area should be here. 2 numbers left in this area. For numbers 1 and 4. Let me mark those 1 and 4. 1 and 4. That means we have a double 1 there and a double 4 there. So the 1 and the 4 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and the 4, 1 and the 4. Well, I cannot place the 1 here. If we place 1 here, this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 1. We already have a 1 here. So this box should be a 4. This box should be a 1 then. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also 4. So I've eliminated the 3, so the 3 goes there. 2 numbers left for the numbers 2 and the 3 in this L-shaped area. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here. 2 goes there. So we have a 1 and a 4 left, okay. I think this box should be a... No, I cannot. I need to wait. Yeah, this box can be 3, so 3 could be here, could be there. Okay. Well, I need to wait here. Yeah, let me wait. I think this box should be a 3 because can be 1, can be 2, should be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely 3. This box can be a 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. Now we have a double 5 there. That means that this box cannot be a 5 anymore. If I place a 5 here, I cannot fill any 5 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 5 is supposed to be here, and the 4 goes there. That means that these 2 boxes can be 4. So 1 box left for the 4 in this area should be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and the 5. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 5 goes there. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with 1. We have a 1 now. So this box can be 1 and more. That box should be a 1. And this box can be a 3. So the 3 could be here, could be there. Interesting. I think this box should be a 4 because can be 1, can be 2, can be 3. Should be a 4, can be a 5. We have a double 5 there. Yeah. Well, double 5. We already have a 5 here, so this box can be 5 and more. That box should be a 5. And I've eliminated the 4, so the 4 goes there. And I've eliminated the 1, so the 1 goes there. So 1 digit left in this area for number 3. 1 and a 3, we have a 1 now, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 3 goes in there. These 2 boxes can be a 4, so 1 box left for the 4 in this area should be here. And I've eliminated the 3, so the 3 goes there. 1 box left in this quadra box for number 1. I've marked those two boxes earlier with a 1. We have a 1 now, so this box can be 1 and more. That box should be a 1. I've marked those two boxes earlier with a 1. We have a 1 now, so this box can be 1 and more. That box should be a 1. So two numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and a 5. 3 and a 5. We have a 5 now, so no 5 there. 5 should be here. 3 goes there. And this box is connected with that box should be so 3. 4 to 5, we have a 5 now, so no 5 there. 5 should be here. 4 goes there. I think this box should be a 4 because can be 1, can be 2, can be a 3. We have a 3 in the same area. Should be a 4, can be a 5. Yes, definitely a 4. So two numbers left, one number left in this area for number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah. These, well. This box can be a 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. Well, I need to wait here. These two boxes can be a 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. That means that this box can be a 5, we have a 5 here, and also that box can be a 5, we have a double 5 there. So the only place left a 5 in this area should be here. Two numbers left, one numbers 2 and a 4, 2 and a 4, we have a 4 there, no 4 there, 4 should be here. 2 goes there. These two boxes can be a 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. That means we have a double 2 there. That means that this box cannot be a 2 anymore. If I place 2 here, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those two boxes. So the only place left for the 2 in this triple box should be here. One box left in this triple box for number 3. These two boxes can be a 3, so 3 goes together with a 5 as a pair. 3 and 5, 3 and 5. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here. 5 goes there. So two numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and a 1, 2 and a 1. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, 2 goes there. Two numbers left in this W area shape for numbers 3 and a 5, 3 and a 5. We have a 5 now, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 3 goes there. Then. This box can be 3. This box can be a 1. So the 1 and the 3 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 1 and a 3, 1 and a 3. I've eliminated the 2 there, so the 2 goes here. So these two boxes can be 1. These two boxes can be a 3. We have a double 1 there, double 3 there. So the 1 and the 3 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 1 and 3, 1 and 3. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 3 goes there. I've eliminated the 2 there, so the 2 goes here. So what is left in this area for number 4 is connected with that box. Should be also 4. 1 and a 4, we have a 4 now, so no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and a 3. 1 and a 3, we have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 3 goes there. And the final 2 numbers, the 1 and the 3. We have a 3 there, so no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 1 goes there. Finished in 17 minutes. Well. Told you I need 15 to 20 minutes. Definitely a 2 stars puzzle. And we solve it again. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And we'll meet again in the evening with other 4 puzzles. Until then, bye-bye for now. And have a great and fantastic Friday.